Royals batted first, and top three batters were dismissed early with the ball holding on a bit to the wicket coupled with some tight bowling. Royals were 36 for 3 in 7.2 overs as they gambled with Ashwin at number 5. Parag and Ashwin were smart together in stitching a partnership worth 54. As the innings drew towards a close, Parag began to unleash a series of confident shots and scored 25 runs in the final over as Royals finished the innings with 185 for 5. Delhi Capitals were desperate for a good start to the chase, and they found that with Mitchell Marsh scoring early boundaries. He hit 5 fours in his 23 but was soon got dismissed by Nandre Burger. The experienced pair of David Warner and Rishab Pant now joined, and together they scored 67 of 47 balls before the duo fell in quick succession. Tristan Stubbs and Axar Patel joined together and brought the score to 17 runs needed in the final over. At this point, Avesh Khan bowled an excellent over against the well-set batters and restricted Capitals to 173 for 5, and Royals won by 12 runs.